Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I was cruising the garage and I was stuck in my iPod because I saw two birds. Look. Birdie! There's like... So that's a bird right there. Birdie. I can't believe how to use that. I just saw two birds. Yep. Two birds. I was to open the garage, but I'm afraid I'm gonna squish them. Birdie! Well, I may just leave the garage open because there'll be birds. Hi, birds. What are you doing? Bye. Well, the birds was in here. The birds was in here and I can't believe the birds went there. Oh well. Well, I'll see you guys later.